Hello kids. Good morning all of you. How are you all today? Hope you all are fit and fine. So kids, tell me, what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we learned a new concept, that is one and more than one. So today also we are going to do the revision of one and more than one. Then we will do one activity and then we will do one exercise in our English classwork book, page number 127. Let's do the revision of one and more than one. See kids, there is only one cat. So we will write only cat. C-A-T, cat. Now count here. How many cats are there? 1, 2. There are 2 cats. So we will write C-A-T as cats. There is only one pen. So we will write P-A-N, pen. Now count here. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pens. So we will write P-A-N-S, pens. See, now there is only one top. So we will write T-O-P, top. And now count here. How many tops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tops. So we will write T-O-P and magical S. T-O-P-S, tops. There is only one pen. So we will write P-E-N, pen. And count here. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pens. So we will write P-E-N-S, pens. There is only one mug. So we will write M-U-G, mug. Now count here. How many mugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 mugs. So we will write M-U-G and magical S. So M-U-G-S, mugs. Kids, let's read once again. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T-S, cats. P-A-N, pen. P-A-N-S, pens. T-O-P, top. T-O-P-S, tops. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N-S, pens. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G-S, mugs. Now it's time for an activity. Let's start. See kids, I have stuck some pictures of one and more than one over here, under which I have written two spellings of each. One spelling is for one object and other spelling is for more than one object. So first we will recognize the pictures and then we will read the words written under it and then we will circle the correct word. So let's start. Which picture is this? This is a hut, right? So now read the words written under the picture. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T-S, huts. There is only one hut. So we will circle the word hut. H-U-T, hut. Now tell me, what are these? Yes, these are pens. And there are 1, 2, 3. 3 pens. So now read the words P-A-N, pen, P-A-N-S, pens. There are 3 pens. So which is the correct word? Pen or pens? Yes, pens. So we will circle the word pens. Which picture is this? This is a mat. So now read the words M-A-T, mat, M-A-T-S, mats. There is only one mat. So which is the correct word? Mat or mats? Yes, M-A-T, mat. Because there is only one mat. Now tell me, what are these? These are mugs. How many mugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 mugs. Now read the words M-U-G, mug, M-U-G-S, mugs. There are 6 mugs, right? So which is the correct word? Mug or mugs? Yes, mugs. So we will circle the word mugs. Now kids, tell me, who is he? He is a boy and there is only one boy. So which is the correct word? B-O-Y, boy, or B-O-Y-S, boys? Yes, there is a one boy. So we will circle the word boy. Now kids, tell me, what are these? These are tops. How many tops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tops, right? So which is the correct word? T-O-P, top, or T-O-P-S, tops? There are more than one top. So we will circle the word tops. See kids, like this way, you can also do this activity with other pictures of one and more than one objects also at your home. Now we will do one exercise in our English class workbook, page number 127. Kids, first we will write today's date, that is 2/5/25-2-21. Draw lines to match the pictures with the words. Kids, first we will recognize the pictures over here and then we will read the words one by one and match it with the correct picture. These are cups. This is a hut. This is a peg. This is a map. These are pens and these are beds. Now read the first word, P-E-G, peg. So where is peg? This is peg? No. This is a peg? No. This is a peg? Yes. So now we will match peg with the picture of peg. Now read the word P-E-N-S, pens. Where are pens? These are cups. This is a hut. This is a map. And these are pens. So now we will match pens with the picture of pens. Now read this, B-A-T-S, bats. Now see, where is the picture of bats? Yes, this is the picture of so many bats. So now we will match the word bats with the picture of bats. Now read this word, H-U-T, hut. So where is hut? This is a hut? No, these are cups. And this is a hut? Yes. So now we will match word hut with the picture of hut. Now read this word cups, cups. So where are cups? Yes, these are cups. So now we will match the word cups with the picture of cups. Which word is this? M-A-P, map. So where is map? Yes, this is a map. So we will match the word map with the picture of map. See kids, like this way you have to finish your work in your English class workbook page number 127. Kids, you also have to finish our English homework book page number 82. I hope kids you all have enjoyed the activity and also learned the concept of one and more than one. So keep practicing it at home. See you soon. Bye bye.